What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we will be doing the static variables and methods lesson. So let's go back here. Alright, so here's a static methods refresher. So in this lesson, we're going to dive into how to create classes with your own static methods and static variables. To begin, let's take a quick refresher on static methods. Now, static methods are methods that belong to an entire class, not a specific object of the class. Static methods are called using the class name and the dot operator. We've seen a couple of static methods already. So, for example, the um, random class as well as the value of class, or the method, sorry, the random method as well as the value of method. These are static methods. So in the first example, method or random is a static method that belongs to the math class, and we didn't need to create a math object like math, my math object equals new math in order to use that method. We could just call it using the class name. Similarly, value of is a static method of the double class. Given a string as an input, this method will turn that string into a double. Now, again, we don't need to create a double object in order to call this method. We can use the class itself to call it. Finally, notice that the main methods have been static this whole time. When Java runs your program, it calls the main method of your class name.main. So here is a little code here. And basically it's saying we've set up some code with a handful of common static methods. We're using random, abs, and toString. So take a look at the documentation for these methods and try to figure out what they do. So for random, we've already seen how these ultimately basically become how they become a random. So this is how many digits there's gonna be. So that's 10 digits and it starts at 1. So it's 1 through 10 inclusive, okay? And then this will print the absolute value of -2. So it would print 2 right here. And then this is a new method that we haven't talked about yet. And this is actually the integer toString method. Basically, we've seen the toString method, but this is the integer classes version of it. So basically, it turns a number into a string. So here we'll do random number is 8, it's 2, and then 1. So again, that random number should change. Yeah, right there, 1. So we got 8, 1, 6. Yep, like that. And then in the next video, we'll be talking about static variables. So until then, I'll see you in the next one and have a great day.